Hi guys, so we're on day 2 of our first fix of the back boiler removal in Par in St Helens. So the team have hung the boiler. They've installed the flow and return pipework 22mm. If you remember yesterday it was only 10mm. So 22mm allows a lot more water to come through here, therefore heating the radiators up faster, getting back to the boiler faster, and also reducing your fuel bill an awful lot. So when you look at the size of a back boiler unit, a big immersion tank that was in this room here, okay, which is now being removed, and you look at the size of the back boiler, and basically this fella here, this Eco Combi from Helens, which is a premium combi, will basically deliver double the results and will reduce that gas bill between 50 and 80%. So the benefits of doing this and going to a combi, especially a Helens, is that the hot water flow rate will increase, the gas bill will reduce, you're not washing in filthy tank fed water, you are creating space, there's no risk of leaks inside the loft because the tanks in the loft are actually removed, and you get a better hot water flow rate. So on this specific job we normally come back and hang the radiators after installation, but our customer here today has asked us to install the upstairs radiators. So we install these radiators. We only use premium radiators, by the way, with a 20-year guarantee. We've also put thermostatic radiator valves on. That basically gives you independent control of each radiator in each individual room. So you have a thermostat, Hive thermostat is going in on this job, where it can be used on the phone, and also a wall dial that will go on the wall downstairs. Basically, that will give the heating for the whole house. Then the thermostatic radiator valves will let you control the temperature of each radiator individually. Our customer's gone for a chrome towel radiator in the bathroom. We always oversize the chrome towel radiator because they're designed to heat towels up and not necessarily give off heat. So we always go extra big with the chrome towel radiators to give off the heat and to give you guys extra drying space when you need to dry your towels and whatnot. Okay, here's our other radiator in the living room that's been installed. So basically when our team returns, the customer will have this plastered, he'll have this plastered, filled over, painted, and then we'll come back and install the radiator in the hallway and also the radiator in the living room in here. So on our second visit we've just got 2 radiators to install. Little reflush of the system, more chemical inside the heating circuit, and basically we'll hang this radiator. The radiator in the hallway is a designer radiator that's due to arrive tomorrow. Okay, so that's how we first fix, using the Manthorpe system, using the design of floating radiators if you wish to do that. This is our back boiler which has been removed. The customer's asked for this builder's opening to be left open, and basically this is the pipework that was on existing and we've removed that completely. So this has had a complete overhaul of a new boiler, new heating circuit for flow and return, central heating pipework, new radiators, new valves, new A-rated Band A condensing combi boiler, a Valiant, a premium boiler with a 10-year parts and labour guarantee, a Hive smartphone thermostat, and a Valent magnetic filter. This has taken our team to get to this point now 2 days. They will be back tomorrow to do the finalising and do the snagging. Happy days. All in all, a good day, Mr. Gibbons.
Great day. Great job, sunny St Helens.
Great job, sunny St Helens. Lovely jubbly. Good stuff. So from me and Mr. Sean Gibbons.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos.